Kicks out. Cross pass in the middle. Fires. Bam! What a Team Bisaya. 4-3. Bang! 3 points! Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng NCR, National Capital Region versus Region 8, Eastern Visayas. And jump ball here. First ball possession, NCR. Bounce pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. First blood. Ball possession for Eastern Visayas. Number 7 corner pass. Number 8 pull up jumper. Pass break ngayon. Binit beat. Lays. No good. Tip in. Tip in again. Double tip in. Basket is good. And the rebound for Team NCR. Bounce pass, kakaldag, pull fires, floater, yes sir. Wala pa rin, rebound, pass break, and lays, easy bucket. Here's Team NCR setting the play. Pass on the corner, pass to the middle, fires off the glass, bucket is good. Number 8. Long pass inside, floater, basket and one. Number 31. Attacks from the corner. Left-handed lays. Oh, gumulong-gulong. Umikot. Pasok yan. Here's Team NCR. Stop. Launches on the 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Number 11. Number 28. Pass to the corner. Spin move. Step back. Bumalik. Oh, sayang. Pass break ngayon. Bimit bit. Pass. And setting the play here for NCR. Drives. Kicks out. Cross pass in the middle. Fires off the glass. Bam! What a dam! Grabe! Woo! Dito ka lang yan makakita. Sa Palarong Pambansa. Passer, number 11, sumisegway, attacks, ulo supalpal. Pass to the corner. Didiskarte dito to number 2, number 31 for 3. Put back shot, the follow-up shot. And bounce pass inside. Spins. Kinaldakan Bakes, fires, bucket and one. And for the inbound, here's Team Eastern Visayas. Number 10, number 11. Pass to the middle. Number 11, drive side step, lays up, no good. Rebound, put back shot, and good for 2. And Region 8, Eastern Visayas sa 3. In and out. Pass break. And here you go, nauna na, fires, and one! And a pass break here, side step, reverse layup, bucket is good! Here's Eastern Visayas. Attacks, kicks out. Floater from the long range, bucket is good! And here's NCR. Between the legs dribble. Asking for the pick, bounce pass to number 9, to number 6, mid-range, pulls up 3, bang! Off the glass! Second quarter action, stop, pulls up 3, no good. Rebound here, NCR. Umatake mula sa gitna, reverse layup, bucket is good! And here's number 13, stop, pass, alley-oop pass inside, yes sir! Ball possession, NCR. Pass to the middle, wide open, fakes, stop, kicks on the corner, open na 3, bang! 3 points! And number 13 here for Eastern Visayas, kicks on the corner, fires sa 3, bang! The answer! And for the inbound here, alley-oop pass, fires off the glass, yes sir! And it's Eastern Visayas who make way behind the back dribble. Pass on the inside. Pinabitin. Put back shot. Bagat is good. And here's NCR. Ball possession. 15-40 score. Number 31. Kicks on the corner. 31. Drives. Corner. Kicks. Drives. Pinabitin off the glass. Bagat is good. And here's Eastern Visayas, number 13, cross pass. He spins. Pass to number 13. Pull up jumper 3. Bang! Bullseye! And here's team NCR. Pass inside. Another easy basket. South kicks out. Launch 3. Mid-range. Rebound number 28. Setting the play, pass to the corner. He spins, fires, basket, and one. And Eastern Visayas floater number 11. Bucket for 2. Number 8. To number 2. Corner pass. Pass back number 2. Pass to the corner. Fix. Drives. Fix. Believe. Oop. Supal-pal. NCR backdoor inbound. Here's number 31 off the glass. Bucket is good. Spins. Oops. Number 11 behind the back. Oops. Pass break ngayon. Nauna na. And easy bucket. And up here. Pass break. Number 31 side step. Kicks out. Launches on 3. Off target. Rebound. Floater. No good. Put back shot. Drives, nakalusot, no good, rebound, put back, no good, rebound, put back off the glass, bucket is good. And the long pass, eksakto, lays up, bucket is easy. Naagaw ngayon. Sa tres, bang, 3-point. Number 2 for NCR. Pass to the corner. Fires the 3 ball. Bang! Off the glass! Number 2 pass on the inside. Reverse layup off the glass. Yes, sir. Third quarter action for the inbound. Launches on 3. Bang! Bullseye! Number 31, zumigzag. Umatake. Pass on the inside. He spins. Nagmamadali. Oh! Woo! Jordan move! And his team, Bisaya. For 3. Bang! 3 points! Number 2. And setting the play here for NCR. Fires a 3 ball. Bang! The answer! And his team NCR, number 24, launches on 3. Bang! Nothing but net! Number 2, between the legs dribble. To the middle. Pass inside. Number 2. Pumagilid, no. Oh! Nice pass! Traveling, no basket. And number 8, kicks out. Fires a 3. No good. Pass break here. Filipino step, reverse layup, bucket is good. Number 24, picks, clutch, spins to the middle, lays up, basket is good. Number 2, setting the play. Pass to, libre, the easy basket. And Eastern Visayas here. Number 6, pass to the middle. Crossover move. Natapikan mula sa likod. Number 31, binitbit. Easy bucket. And here's team Eastern Visayas. Crossover. Drives behind the back dribble. Spin move fakes. Sa gitna. Fires. No good. Rebound. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. And here's number 88. Number 6. Number 8. Spins. Uy. For the inbound, number 88, number 4, stepping back for 3. Bang! Bullseye! Here's team Eastern Visayas. Kicks on the Fupalpal. Picks. Floater. No good. Backdoor inbound here. Number 4. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Eastern Visayas number 10. Kicks out na Tapikan. To number 88. Kicks out. Number 6 spins. Satres. Bang! Here's Team NCR. Number 88. To the middle. Dribbles the ball. Corner pass. Pass back number 4. Stop. Pull up J at 3. Bang! Back to back to back 3. And number 6 here. Number 88. Corner pass. Napasok na naman sana. Number 4. Lost the ball. Steals. Derecho lays up. Bucket is good. Number 11. Drives, lays up. Too strong. Fires. Follow up shot. Yes, sir. Pass break. Number 9. Slow fires. Bucket is good. Number 88. Drives. Binitbit. Pinasa. Fires off the glass. Easy bucket. He's slowly moving down his stop for 3. Bang! Bullseye! Number 24. 77. Corner pass. 3-point shot. Bang! Ooh, scoop layup. Number 77 as for pick. Corner pass. 77 for 3. Bang! At the buzzer. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, NCR.